Hi, I'm Lupe Guzman, the principal here at Hoover Community School. Measure T has renovated our campus. We had a major facelift. Our community is really excited to have a brand new school. Beautiful fencing, paint is fresh, brighter colors. We have Friendship Plaza where our kids enjoy having their meals outdoors, which is something we didn't have before. We have our garden that our students enjoy planting in, and we're about to harvest some of our first vegetables. We have new play structures for both the littles and the 3rd through 5th grade. We also have this beautiful gym, which everybody's super excited about. We've had lots of community events and our graduation and PE class, of course. And it's such a versatile space that we use it in many, many ways. So we're very grateful we have it here. We also have new security cameras, updated network system, and access for our students who have special needs so that they can go through our campus more safely and things are more accessible to them. Thank you to our voters for passing Measure T. Thank you to our community for supporting Hoover and the Redwood City School District.